when you're putting together your categories, we have the fixed expenses and the variable expenses. And our fixed expenses will fall in the category of your rent, mortgage, car payments, insurance, property tax, you know, things of that nature. So those are fixed items. You know, every month those things will come along. Then also we have the variable ones. The variable ones can be car maintenance, food, you know, because if you're having a tight month, you can narrow your food budget. If you're having a good month, you can exaggerate a little bit on your food budget. And so those are the variable expenses. You should also consider the non-essentials. The non-essentials, those are things you really don't need, but you really kind of like, you know, like another black pair of shoe when you already have like 5. Yes, you really don't need it. It can wait, but it's okay to budget for it, because just because we are budgeting doesn't mean our life should be boring and stiff. No, I like exciting, and I'm liking, you know, all the good stuff. So, but you have to do it systematically so that you don't go broke while you are planning out your life, you know. So get that extra shoe, get, you know, that extra things you like that make your life happy, but plan for them ahead of time. If you want a big purchase, maybe you want to buy a dining table, for example, you can, and you go around, window shop, find the price, then maybe in your budget you start putting a little category of the dining table, and you plan for it through a couple months until you get the total amount and go back purchase it. You see, so you'll get whatever you want, but we'll approach it more systematically.